I'm Stephanie Pohar. Many of you may know me as Stephanie Harris. I was a Supercuts Regional Marketing Manager for over 12 years. For the last 9 years of my Regis career, I was a dedicated direct-to-you customer. Regis actually partnered with 2 direct mail companies, Direct2You and another vendor. However, I always preferred to work with Becky and her team for many reasons. Their outstanding customer service, timely responses, quick turnaround, and their always upbeat attitude. But most of all, I appreciated the ability to cherry-pick the carrier routes I wanted to mail, making more effective use of my marketing dollars and giving me more bang for my buck. Over the years, I also found the Post Analytics feature to be extremely helpful. I have to admit, it took me a while to truly understand what the Post Analytics reports could tell me. But knowing where customers are coming from and which coupons they are using is extremely useful information. Identifying customers and being able to speak to them through a loyalty mailing is a wonderful tool. The transition from Regis to Direct2You was an easy one. I truly believe Direct2You offers a quality product, and their customer service far exceeds that of any other direct mail vendor I've worked with. I hope you don't think I'm now an advocate of Direct2You just because I work for them. Trust me, I was an advocate of Direct2You long before I joined their team.
Our proven marketing strategies deliver results. Just hear it from our clients.
Becky and the team at Direct2You are extraordinarily professional in meeting all of our direct mail marketing needs quickly and hassle-free. They have provided us excellent service for many years now and know our business inside and out. We are always confident in their services and are always pleased with the results. The team at Direct2You is our go-to direct mail provider and will remain so. We look forward to continuing our relationship for many years to come.
As the marketing director for the owner of 45 Supercuts stores in 5 different markets, I work with many advertising and marketing partners across the country every day. None are as responsive, professional, and reliable as the group I work with at Direct2You. When I need something, I simply send a quick email to Becky, Stephanie, or Neil, and magically the request is fulfilled. The data is delivered with recommendations and the art proof is readily available. With minor additions, we are ready to go in minutes. Conversely, when I need help with a specific store combating a competitor opening, or if I want to discuss a grand opening project in greater detail, the group is immediately available and works diligently to create the program we need. From start to finish, the customer service is simply fantastic. With Direct2You, we are building our customer base and growing our business.
Hello, Supercuts Franchise Association members. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to present the benefits of working with Direct2You. We've enjoyed working with the existing SFA members and look forward to working with all the new members. Remember, your success is truly our success. We're looking forward to an amazing year. Thank you.